for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with a clean and modern interior. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, MP3 player, power door locks, bucket seats, power windows, passenger airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.